Hello guys, in this video I will show you unboxing of this hot tool. This is kind of multi-vapor. It's very good for messy hairstyles, messy curls, for example, like I have. And of course, I'm gonna show you how to use this hot tool on my beautiful model. So leave your like for this video right now, and I hope you enjoy. So the features: adjustable depth, titanium barrel, tourmaline ceramic coated. I see that the cord is really long, so you even don't need to use an extension cord for this hot tool. So what is the most interesting for me? Of course, it has adjustable plates. Let's take a look. How does it work? Wow, I found it. You just turn and it goes higher and higher. Wow. By this way, you will have bigger volume. I can combine different adjustments, and I will have different effects at the same model. And of course, the coating is very good. It is very silky. Your hair wouldn't stick inside of it. And swivel cord. And of course, you can store it somewhere like this, for example, in your bathroom, if you just use it for your hair. I plugged in, and here you see it is off now. Let's turn it on. If you have blondie hair, please use less temperature, for example 160. Don't bring any damage to your hair, and don't forget to use thermal protection spray. Oh my god, it is so fast. And you know what is good? That here it is protected, so it wouldn't burn your hand, because I'm holding it like this. My hand is protected. 130 is the minimum temperature. And what is the maximum temperature? 230. This is very good for Asian type of hair, or for example after keratin treatment, so it can be curled easily. LCD display, so you can check the temperature. You don't need to check it by your fingers. You just look here and you see. Let me show you how to work with this. So you put the strand in and clamp it. I'm doing it with the normal barrel height. And now I want to change it, so I have to spin it, and you see it goes higher and higher, and then you can adjust it the level that you prefer. Take another strand and start doing the same. I just put in and clamp and do it till the end. When you want to have messy effect, you can leave around 3 centimeters in the ends to have them straight. And take a look here, it's pretty wide section. You see, this hot tool allows you to do this. That's perfect. It's very comfortable to hold it, and very good that buttons are on the side, so you won't turn it off accidentally. If you want to make a crazy volume, just keep it right near the roots. To style the curls, I use light hairspray from Milkshake. I just spray it a little bit and let the curls be free. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment or any questions. I'll be right back to answer it. And the link how to purchase this hot tool will be right under this video. And I want to show you the modification of this curl, so let me know. Do you like the first option, just straight hair, or the second with these waves, or the third one with these cute braids? Which one you like more? Leave your number in the comments.